Have you ever pondered about what it truly means to be successful in life? We frequently equate success with wealth, power, and fame. The more we have, the more successful we're considered. But is that really all there is to it? Perhaps it's time we challenge this typical perception. What if success isn't so much about the accumulation of material things, but something more personal and subjective? What if success is about achieving your personal goals, pursuing your passions, or making a positive impact on the world around you? Consider this. Maybe success isn't only about the destination. Maybe the journey itself holds equal, if not more importance. The lessons learned, the growth experienced, the resilience built, aren't these equally valuable? Success, as it turns out, might be a journey rather than a destination. So let us embark on an inspiring journey of a man who redefined success. Meet John, a man who had nothing but dreams and determination. A man who, from his early days, was no stranger to the harsh realities of life. Born into a humble family, John was the eldest of 5 children. His parents, though loving, were constantly battling against the odds to provide for their family. From a tender age, John exhibited an indomitable spirit. He yearned for a better life, not just for himself but for those around him. His dreams were big, perhaps too big for the small town he hailed from, but he held on to them, unyielding in his pursuit. His journey was not without its share of challenges. There were times when the weight of his circumstances threatened to crush his dreams. He faced rejections, disappointments, and failures, but these setbacks only served to strengthen his resolve. He viewed these obstacles not as barriers, but stepping stones towards his dreams. Remember the time when he applied for a scholarship to attend a prestigious university? He was rejected, not once, but thrice. However, he didn't let this deter him. Instead, he worked even harder, studying late into the night, juggling multiple part-time jobs and honing his skills. Or the time when he started his first business venture, it was a colossal failure. Yet, he didn't let this discourage him. He took it as a learning opportunity, analyzing his mistakes, and implementing the lessons in his next venture. Throughout his journey, John's determination never wavered. He was fueled by an unwavering belief in himself and his dreams. He knew that the road to success was not a straight path but a winding road filled with ups and downs, twists and turns. John's journey was far from easy, but he remained steadfast, proving that the road to success is paved with resilience and unwavering determination. His story serves as a testament to the power of dreams and the strength of the human spirit when faced with adversity. John's story is a reminder that no matter how daunting the journey may seem, with determination and resilience, success is within reach. As John progressed, he began to realize that success was not just about achieving his goals. John, like many of us, had always thought of success as a finish line, a destination to be reached. But as he continued on his journey, his understanding of success started to shift. He began to see that it was not just about the end result, about crossing that finish line, but it was also about the journey that led him there. His eyes were opened to the value of the process, the importance of the steps taken, the decisions made, the hurdles overcome. He found that there was a certain joy in the process itself, in the learning and the growth that came with each step forward. It was not just about the achievement, but about the person he was becoming in the pursuit of that achievement. This was a fundamental shift in his perspective. Success was no longer a static concept, defined by a singular achievement or a specific goal. Instead, it became dynamic, constantly evolving with each new experience, each new challenge, each new victory. John started to see that success was not just about the big wins, but also about the small victories along the way. It was about the lessons learned, the skills acquired, the resilience built. It was about the person he was becoming, the character he was building, the values he was upholding. And as he embraced this new understanding of success, he found himself enjoying the journey more. He found satisfaction not just in the achievement of his goals, but in the pursuit of them. He found joy not just in the destination, but in the journey itself. And so, success for John became a continuous process, a never-ending journey of growth and self-improvement. It was not just about where he was going, but about who he was becoming on the way there. John discovered that success was not a final destination, but a continuous journey of growth and self-improvement. So, what are the benefits of this redefined version of success? Well, let's start by talking about fulfillment. When we view success as a journey rather than a destination, we open ourselves up to a whole new level of fulfillment. Every step we take, every goal we achieve, big or small, becomes a cause for celebration. Because when success is a journey, it's not about reaching the top, but about enjoying the climb. And that, in itself, is incredibly fulfilling. Now, let's talk about growth. With this perspective of success, we're constantly pushing our boundaries, stepping out of our comfort zones and learning new things. Every challenge we overcome, every mistake we learn from, every new skill we acquire contributes to our growth. We become better versions of ourselves, not because we're striving for a specific goal, but because we're committed to the process of growth itself. And then there's resilience. On this journey, we're bound to face obstacles and setbacks. But when we view these not as failures but as opportunities for growth, we build resilience. We learn to adapt, to bounce back, to keep moving forward no matter what. And this resilience, this ability to weather any storm, is one of the most powerful benefits of viewing success as a journey. But perhaps the most significant benefit of all is happiness. When we're constantly chasing after a destination, we're always looking ahead, always striving for more. But when we view success as a journey, we learn to appreciate the here and now. We find joy in the process, in the journey itself, and this leads to a happier, more satisfying life. In the end, success is not about the destination but about the journey. It is about growing, learning, and improving every day. And that, my friends, is the true benefit of success.
Let's go!